Frank, one area that we haven't talked about, and I know it's one of your favorites, is flood insurance. First of all, you get flood insurance from the government. Second of all, most people don't have it. You don't live in a floodplain. So the possibility of you being flooded out are next to none.
You know, all you have to do is look back this year, and 90% of the major natural disasters in the U.S. involved flooding. Well, if you're not in a declared disaster area, don't assume that federal aid is going to bail you out. You probably are going to be on your own for the repairs unless you have flood insurance. And again, Gary, FEMA is the National Flood Insurance Program. It provides $250,000 in coverage for the structure of your home and attached garage. And it also gives you $100,000 coverage for your contents. So it is another area that is cheap. I promise you, hear me folks, your homeowner's insurance does not cover flood. Your renter's insurance does not cover flood. So the federal government contracts with different carriers in states here to provide coverage for floods. It's cheap. It's inexpensive. You know, look anywhere you want. There were floods all over the United States in undeclared disaster areas or areas that weren't previously designated as flood prone. So it is a wonderful, wonderful idea, especially if your area this year is seeing more rain than normal.
And boy, we really have. And speaking of that, I want to hitchhike quickly on the difference between a flood and water that falls out of the sky. And contrary to popular belief, it ain't the wind, it's the water. And it ain't the flooding, insurance companies will say. Oh no, it's the 8 to 10 inches of rain that accompanies the hurricanes that do all the damage. Now, you may think that flood insurance is going to cover you, but you're going to be absolutely incorrect, as the insurance companies will point out, nay, that came from the sky, so we ain't covering it, you see.
Handled the case for the government of American Samoa about 15 years ago. Hurricane hits the island of Samoa, and the carrier that insures all the government buildings, hospitals, schools, churches, etc., there says, yep, sorry, we cover wind, we cover rain, but we don't cover wind-driven rain. You needed separate coverage for that. And the closing argument to the jury is this amazing. Our government spent X millions of dollars to insure our schools, hospitals, etc., and they have the temerity to sell us coverage that covers the hurry, but not the cane. The jury made pretty short shrift of that, not only gave the government the contract damages, but punished the insurance company with punitive damages. Make sure when you're sitting down with your agent or broker that you talk about flood insurance and the difference, and earthquakes. You know, earthquakes happen all over the United States, not just in my states. 75 million people in 39 states are at some risk from earthquakes. Massachusetts. Since when did anybody ever hear that Massachusetts was on a fault plane and earthquakes are happening there? So, folks, earthquake is not covered under your homeowners. Here in California, we had the Northridge earthquake back in 1994. In 1993, one of the largest insurers in the country decided to split homeowners insurance and earthquake coverage. They sent the notice out with the renewal for your homeowners insurance. And it said, you're no longer covered for earthquake. You need to buy separate coverage. Well, how many thousands of people in California suffered major damage from that earthquake? And all of those people were in the same boat. I handled that case here in California for thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Fortunately for us, this major insurer didn't put the font or the size of the notice in the right place, and it wasn't big enough that it drew your attention to it when you opened up the envelope. We wound up finding about $100 million worth of coverage for people across the state of California. But for folks who weren't insured with that company, they were in trouble because the other carriers did it correctly.